So hello there. So in my last point in last session we discussed material selecting. Okay. So these are the process which are required for before the printing process or manufacturing process is done. Okay. So you see here in next point, at this point the PCB design should be ready and printed on a transparent paper. Okay, transparent paper. You first PCB design ready in here a black paper. Okay, here you see this process, this stage involves creating a film stage. Okay, film that this is the film that is black and the points to be printed. Okay, so here we see the print image. Okay, here this is the film. Okay, this is the first step. Then after that you see the design are placed on the dried silk screen. Okay, so this is a dried process. This is totally a dry process. Okay, I already discussed this, which are dry process and which are wet process. Okay, so I already discussed this etching process or wet process. So this etching process are after many steps. Okay, so first you print a black transparent paper. Okay, print black. Okay, black in black. Okay, in transparent. So this transparent black is your like layout of your PCB. Okay, this is the black color. Okay. The designs are placed on the dried silk screen. Okay, in this case the silk screen PCB design should be placed on prepared silk fabric the way you would like to, writing the marking the to appear on the PCB. Okay, so here you in your second stage the mount. Okay, mount stand mounting. Okay, film is copied onto the layer screen using ultraviolet. I already see when you use this ultraviolet. Okay. So this is a silk screener process. After that, it is important. Please I discuss this point and you all are note this point because these steps are very important. Okay, it is important to make sure that the PCB design paper does not move from where you have positioned it. Okay, if your is black, okay, film, okay, this black film is placed on here. Okay, in this board here, and after that you finalized your board placing in this board. Okay, then you clipping this film. But if these are moving, so all are spoiled. Okay. After this, your PCB design should be placed prepared silk fabric the way you would like to writing or marking to appear on this on the PCB. Okay. After that, not move from where you have to position this film. Okay. This can be done by fixing the design firmly on the surface using the transparent tape. Okay. So here you see. After that, we clipping this film by this transparent tape. Okay. So transparent tape. After that, you see here when this is done, the whole setup. Okay, the silk string and attached design. Okay, silk string and attached design. Okay, is turned upside down such that the design face downward. Okay, you see here the colored ink are placed here. Okay, so here the top side is then covered with a dark cardboard. Okay. So this is a process. Okay, a screen process. Okay. After this, the UV light is then showed on from below for about 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes after when the PCB silk screen artwork is fully developed. Okay, this is a screen printing film. After this, when you attach this film by this cardboard, okay, the UV light, okay, UV light are exposed on it. Okay, so layer silk screen are using this ultraviolet light for 15 minutes. Okay. After that, to expose the developed silk screen template, the pressurized water is to use to wash away emission part that are not exposed to the ultraviolet. Okay. So after this ultraviolet exposing light, we used a post water for unexposed portion of this film are removed. Okay. So here you see these points are done for this process. Okay. So thank you. I discussed this next points, silk screen printing. Okay, on my next slide. Thank you.